In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable the sticky header on your Shopify store. So if you find it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. So by default, as you can see, whenever you scroll down, the header will be sticky, which means that it will always be visible at the top of your page. So let's make it not sticky. Firstly, I want to let you know about this special offer for Shopify that will get you any Shopify plan you want for just €1 per month for the next 3 months. So you can choose any plan. So in my case, I have chosen the most expensive one, which normally it will be almost €400 per month. But with this special offer, it's just €1. So I will leave the link with this offer on the description below so you can take that advantage and use Shopify for very cheap. Okay, now once you have everything ready, you need to go to online store and then click on edit theme. So in my case, this is the theme I'm using, but this should work for any other theme as well. Now just click the header right here and the settings should pop up on this sidebar menu. So all you need to do is scroll down until you see the sticky header option. So you can put in on never, so it will never be sticky. As you can see now, we can scroll down and it's not visible, or you can make it sticky whenever you scroll up. So if you scroll down, it will not be sticky, but if you scroll up, it should be visible again. So that's it. You can configure more things right here, like a small border if you want, and you can basically play with the settings here. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.